Hey everyone, I am live coming to you on 1993 37th Circle in Sweet Home. And yeah, we're going to check this place out. I've got a really nice place to show you. And so feel free to throw me some comments and questions if you want. And we're also going to try and switch the screen around, which, as you know, hardly ever never works for me. So here we go. All right, it worked. It's a miracle. Hey, Laura Jalot, thanks for looking at my video. So here we are on 37th Circle, and this is the street view. And there's our listing agent. Say hi, Ashley Eisenbrandt. Really cool neighborhood here. All these homes were built about the same time. This one we're going to look at is a 2015. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, and it has 1,301 square feet. It's got this really cool cedar fence out front. So all one level. Easy access, no stairs into the house. It's just got a nice easy sidewalk that goes right up to the front door. We'll check that out here in a second. You do have RV parking. RV parking has an RV dump. It has electric. So you're set up to park your RV. Okay, let's check this place out. 2015, so everything's about 5 years old. I didn't use my little stabilizer thing, so we're gonna go really slow and act like we're all professionals here. Okay, coming in the front door, got a nice little covered porch here, sitting area. All right, as we come in through the front door, so you've got vaulted ceilings. Looks like a little gas insert fireplace there. So this is the one that gives you their open concept feeling. So your kitchen, dining room, living room all kind of blend together. And so we'll check out the kitchen next. Hickory cabinets, stainless steel appliances, gas stove. We got our fridge. Granite countertops. Looking good. We're going to go out back here in just a little bit. As we go back to the living room area, we're going to have bedrooms to our left. So bedroom number 1. Pretty standard size. And it's got a kind of a, it's actually, it doesn't show up on the camera too much, but it's kind of a brown tan color carpet. The laminate flooring. As we go back, we're going to check out bathroom number 1, which is got all the good stuff. The necessities, they call it. So we've got tub shower, really clean, really nice home. Everything here is in top notch. It's looking good. So again, laminate floorings throughout the house, and then we've got carpet in the bedrooms. It's just the way I like it. Holy smokes. I've heard of these things, these machines right here. Boy, I try to stay clear of them as much as possible. But bedroom number 2, again, about the same size as bedroom number 1, and really good size. Big windows, lots of light. All right, so as we go back out, so 2 bedrooms on one end of the house, and then on the other side of the house is the master. first, before we get too far, what's behind door number 1 here? All right, closet, hallway closet. I was really expecting that to go somewhere. Okay, utility room is inside. So washer and dryer area, more hickory cabinets, and then garage door. So we've got a 2-car garage. Hot water heater, gas hot water heater is in the corner. Got the garage door opener. So finished garage. Door that leads out to the RV parking area. So we have gas forced air and central AC. So the house does have air conditioning. All right. All right, as we step in to the master, again, vaulted ceilings. It's got a little bit of a shelf up there. Park all your trophies up there, and closet with organizers, top and bottom hangers. Then the master bathroom. So this one's got a step-in shower stall. Hey Rachel, thanks for watching my video. All right, as we cruise back out to the main, the living room. Okay, a little bit about this house. Also, you are getting the washer and dryer set that we saw. You are getting the fridge, the stand-up freezer, and even that crazy machine, that elliptical thing. So, yeah, the value just keeps getting better and better on this one. Okay, we're going to jump out to the backyard. Hey, Jamie. Thanks for watching my video. So we're going to cruise out this way. We're going to, neighbor is going to say hello. But here's that RV parking area. Tons of room. Get that RV and the boat back here. Then we have a little storage shed here. Look, there's Ashley watching my video. Hey, Ashley. So, we've got a hot tub. How cool is this? And we got a little kitty cat right in there. So, it's on. It's running. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's all on this little covered deal. All right, and now this property also has several trees. We've got pine trees, apple trees, cherry trees, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. I know those aren't trees, but they come with it. Veggie planter and a goji berry and more. So we're going to let the owner take us around and kind of show us what do we got there. Okay, right here along the back in the trail, I got Walla Walla sweet onions. Right over here, there's a little dust patch. There's jalapeno peppers and a bunch of bunching onions that should be coming up here pretty soon. And like he said, I got the Spitzenberg apples. I got over here a Liberty apple. Right in the middle is a Rainier cherry tree, not producing yet. The apples are on their 4th year. Over here, blueberries, the pink lemonade blueberry, which is totally awesome.
They're on their 4th year of production. Also inside each of these blueberry boxes, there's red potatoes, purple potatoes, and German butterball potatoes. Over here is my strawberry fields. And then in these 2 boxes over here, I have carrots and radishes in this one. And in the back one, there is potatoes. Can't remember which kind. And along this back row, I got raspberries. They're golden raspberries and red raspberries.
Nice.
And coming out front,
all right.
all right, with just the fruit, got raspberries creeping up under here. I just let them go because raspberries are great.
That's right.
Stella cherry tree right there, and a Freedom apple tree right there. Stella is in 2nd year of production, and this Freedom is 3rd year of production. And then the gojis are, one goji is over there and one goji is over here.
So I got to be honest, I had to Google what is a goji. So what is a goji?
Goji berry, it's somewhere between like a cranberry and a strawberry, I believe. That's what I've been told. I had a couple last year they produced, and they were delicious. They're supposed to be high in antioxidants and supposed to actually help you be healthy. And they're great because you can even use the leaves on the plant as a vegetable. Put them in your salad or dry them out, crunch them up, and put them in a tea. They're
Nice.
like a perfect fruit.
That's awesome. All right. Well, there you go. That is 1993 37th Circle Place. If you guys want to take a look, feel free to give me a call or call the office. Office number is 541-451-2211. Hey, another thing to know is this house will qualify for every type of financing out there. So USDA, if you guys have a down payment and you need assistance with your down payment, or you want a little more, give us a call. We know a person, we know a lender. No down payment, we can make that work too. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, give us a call if you have any questions or want to take a look. All right, bye-bye.